Hi there, this is my English speaking practice, and I'm talking about my personal development. And today I'm gonna read the documents of Cloudflare workers. Cloudflare. It's here. Because I'm going to write documents about my library, which is for building original board game, online board game. And in order to develop the library, I want to write the documents about it in advance, because if there are documents, AI coding agent can refer to it, so it is it is efficient and I can maximize the ability of coding agent. So I'd like to write the documents. Yeah. And to write the documents, I need to refer to good quality documents, and also my library depends on the Cloudflare. So today I'm going to read and refer to documents of Cloudflare workers. And for example, there is a lot of features, but mainly Cloudflare workers. Overview and getting started, examples, tutorials, demos, and architectures. I'm interested in architectures. But this is reference architectures that use workers. RAG. Full stack applications. The most related topics most related with my personal product is durable object, so I want to know it. This is a data store, but this has some specific features. create AI agents, collaborative applications, real-time interactions like chat, and more without needing to coordinate state, have a separate storage, or manage infrastructure. Yeah. What are durable objects? A durable object is a special kind of Cloudflare worker which this is worked by worked this is made of Cloudflare worker which uniquely combines compute with storage. Like worker, a durable object is automatically provisioned geographically close to where it is first requested. Yeah, and starts up quickly when needed and shut down when idle. You can have millions of them around the world. However, unlike regular workers, each durable object has a globally unique name, which allows you to send requests to a specific object from anywhere in the world. Thus, a durable object can be used to coordinate between multiple clients who need to work together. Yeah, this is so cool feature, and yeah, so this is helpful to create online board game. Durable object is yeah, their object is distributed geographically, so there are multiple durable objects, but it's globally unique. Each durable object has some durable storage attached. Since this storage lives together with the object, it is strongly constant yet fast to access. Therefore, durable objects enable stateful serverless applications. Yeah. This is the most significant feature. Enable stateful serverless applications. But I'm not sure how this is implemented. What how this is implemented? How this works? How this realized these features? So I'm curious about it. Durable objects have properties that make them a great fit for distributed stateful scalable applications, serverless compute, zero infrastructure management. I'd like to compare with AWS. Compare it with it is said that durable objects enable stateful serverless applications, so I'd like to compare it with AWS services to realize same feature as durable objects. What AWS services would be used, or we cannot realize same feature by AWS? Good question. Cloudflare durable objects offer unique model that is natively mirrored by a single AWS service, but their functionality can be approximated using a combination of AWS services. Here is how durable objects compare and what you to use in AWS to achieve something similar. Durable objects provide global unique instance parity. Low latency in memory state while active, provide serialization of access. Only one instance of an object with a given ID runs at any time. Serialization of access. Only one instance of one object with a given ID runs at any time. Automatically persist state to Cloudflare. Can receive requests directly. Approximate mapping. API gateway Lambda DynamoDB. Gateway to route HTTP requests. Lambda function to proceed requests. DynamoDB. Serialized access to state. For the lock, you don't get in memory long-lived state with this way. Each Lambda invocation is called stats of. Yeah. But I don't care about in-memory states because I use the persistent state, and which is stored in Cloudflare key value stores. Maintaining, so I'm not sure in memory features. Durable objects can keep in memory data while hot, not easy to do something similar. Run container that holds in memory state and communicate. I see. So while connecting via WebSocket, the durable object has in-memory state. I didn't know that. And other custom load balancer or routing layer to route requests to the right instance. Serialization and coordination. This makes sense. The key difference. which has multiple rooms, and each room has connections to clients. Which has multiple rooms, and each room has connections to clients via WebSocket. And let's room instance model. Each room is assigned to one durable object. Yeah. Yes. WebSocket handling. This is most important. Native support with workers and durable API gateway, WebSocket API, and yeah, need to manage the connection IDs. API gateway, AWS Lambda. My question is, WebSocket connection is how Cloudflare DO becomes active and establish the WebSocket using WebSocket docs. DO remains active as long as there is a WebSocket connection open or it's receiving messages. Okay. WebSocket lives inside the DO instance. Okay. DOs automatically spin up and persist while in use. Okay. So as long as it is active, the instance lives. So it means instance can have state. Instance is stateful and have in-memory data. This is my understanding. And on the other hand, AWS WebSocket Connection Management handled by AWS API Gateway WebSocket API. When a client connects, connection is stored. Oh, okay. This is the API Gateway feature. And tracks connection ID for each client. These are passed to Lambda on message events. Oh, I see. So the WebSocket API Gateway and Lambda is used in combination. So they are connected. An API Gateway manages the WebSocket connection, and the information of connection is passed to Lambda. So every event, connect, disconnect, or some message, API Gateway pass to the Lambda. So the implementation in Lambda would be based on the connection ID, fetching the game state from DynamoDB. And processing the data, such as request data and game state, which is stored in DynamoDB, and processing data, and to update, write it to DynamoDB, and return to the client, broadcast client. How to I think this is not in memory, because the storage means key value store. The key value store is used as a backend of the DRL object. So I'm not sure about this. Yeah, this stage lives only as long as persistent storage. Yeah, this is not in memory, it's persistent key value store provided by instance. Yeah. In memory. As long as web socket connection is active, the persistent since persistent since the instance is also active. I didn't know that. So